Good morning. This is a recording for Tuesday, February 4th. Today we will do a traditional mindfulness practice. Basically, it is what most people think of when they hear the word meditation. Using mindfulness of the senses, feeling tones, and your overall experience in the present moment, this is a practice in true open awareness. It is the cornerstone of mindfulness practice for many meditators across the world. Open awareness meditation is a combination of some of the shorter, more focused exercises we already did earlier in this series. Throughout this exercise, rest in openness, receiving whatever arises into your experience. Before we start, a word of caution. This practice can sometimes feel a bit too open. By allowing space for anything to arise, by not focusing on anything in particular, you may start to feel lazy or overly relaxed. As the mind relaxes, it may start to spin out on random trains of thought. If you find this happening, try tightening your awareness a bit by focusing on one of your 5 senses. Hearing usually works really well. Remember that every time you bring the mind back, you are strengthening the mental muscles of mindfulness and concentration. Enjoy your practice. Take a comfortable position. And as always, take a few moments to settle. Settle into your body, your mind, your heart. Settle into this moment, right here, right now. Allow your breath to be nice and soft, completely natural. And just notice how this natural breath flows through your body and how your body responds to it. Now do a brief body scan. Moving from head to toe, rest your attention on each area of the body with mindfulness. I'll give you some silent space to connect with your direct experience. Completing the body scan, open your awareness to the sensations in the body. Tension, pain, softness, the desire to fidget, or maybe there is an emotion, a feeling. What arises and grabs your attention? Mindfully observe the body in this way for the next minute or so. I'll be silent. Now open your practice to the experience of hearing. When a sound comes into your awareness, acknowledge that you are hearing. Continue like this for the next minute or so, exercising patience, noticing any sensations in the body or sounds that are present. I'll be silent again. Continue to open your awareness, this time including the thinking mind. You may see thoughts, emotional experiences, or general mental states. Whatever is present, note that you are having an experience of the mind. Again, I'll be silent for a minute or so. Enjoy your experience. And finally, add in the practice of noting feeling tones, pleasant, unpleasant, neutral. Cultivate an intention to receive and remain open. Recognize whatever is present in your awareness and how it feels. If the mind is reacting to any part of your experience, make that reaction a part of your practice. Again, I'll be silent for the next minute or so. Now bring your hands to your heart and send the energy of loving kindness to yourself, with gratitude for doing this practice, for being here. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I remember that I have enough, I do enough, and I am enough. May I touch deep, natural peace. As you gently let go of the practice, scan your body again and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you, really? As you go through your day today, I invite you to make this practice a part of your everyday mindfulness. Whenever you remember, pause for a few moments during your day and simply notice the feeling tone that is present. Pleasant, unpleasant, neutral. And then gradually open to the full experience of that moment. As always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a gorgeous day, and I will see you on Thursday because tomorrow is Wednesday and you're going to have Lorna's breathing practice. Enjoy that.